The diegetic sound of the police sirens could imply that the protagonist, who we assume is the man rolling up the carpet, is eventually caught for the supposed body in the carpet that he is rolling up. At the beginning, we hear loud pants and heavy breathing. This may be because the person is experiencing a heavy ordeal. When the name Christian Bale comes up in sans serif, the music skips a beat. This could signify that the protagonist that is rolling up the carpet is the actor Christian Bale. When it becomes clear and we are able to see the person rolling a carpet, we assume that it's a body, creating sinister connotations. The fact that he is rolling up the carpet, which we assume has a dead body inside, creates an enigma, as we don't know what is going on, and so therefore it creates mystery as well. The typography is sans serif, and so is the institutionalized information. It is on the far right side of the screen and uses the rule of thirds, as the director possibly wants us to focus on what the protagonist is doing. The sound is mainly non-diegetic in this opening scene. However, there are small amounts of diegetic music and sound, such as the protagonist's heavy breathing. When the protagonist is standing next to the window and is looking outside, it's almost as if we are looking at him through the outside of the window. There's also a scar on his cheek, however, this is actually a hollow cheekbone. This could suggest that he doesn't have time for food and lacks nutrients. Also, the fact that he's smoking as well also implies that he doesn't care about his health.